Today we will discuss about the hydraulic brake, how hydraulic brake will work and what are the parts of the hydraulic brake. We have a rotating wheel which will rotate and we want to stop it with the help of brake drum. We have brake shoe. There are two brake shoe, half portion and this is also a half portion of brake shoe. These are brake shoe and there are friction lining on each of the brake shoe in the outside of the brake shoe. There are friction lining. This is a wheel cylinder which will act for moving these shoe and moving these shoe towards the wheel. This wheel cylinder is connected to the pipe for transmitting fluid and this is connected to the master cylinder. This is a master cylinder in which our fluid is there and this is connected to the piston and a pedal. From there we will apply force on the pedal or pressure on the pedal, then pedal will force this piston to move forward and the fluid in the cylinder will compress and go to the pipe and reach on the wheel cylinder, and in the wheel cylinder it will push the pistons and these pistons push the brake shoe which will stop the rotating wheel. Now we will see the working of the hydraulic brake. This is the spring which will make in position of the two shoe in the initial position. Then when pedal will be pressed, then what will happen? Piston will move in the forward direction and the fluid in the master cylinder will transfer to the wheel cylinder, and in the wheel cylinder these two pistons will move opposite to the each other and they will push this shoe and this shoe will stop the outer wheel. How this is happen? Now this outer wheel touch with the friction lining and the outer wheel, rotating wheel will stop by this friction lining. So this is the principle of the hydraulic brake. By this principle, hydraulic fluid will work for moving the piston and this piston will move the brake shoe and these lining will come into contact of the rotating wheel and rotating wheel will be stopped by the brake shoe. So this is the principle of the hydraulic brake and working of the hydraulic brake. Thank you.